Ram killed Ravana. It has been raining. We go to temple. She took English class. So when we look at these sentences at first gaze and they appear to be complete, obviously they seem complete and they are complete as far as the initial information is concerned. But don't we feel the need that we can add more information to these given words? Like we can give more information to Ram, who is Ram, and what is his relationship with Ravan, who is Ravan. So we can give more information on these two words, Ram and Ravan, which are subject and object. Then we have killed. Obviously, we can add more words to kill. Why did he kill Ravan? Where did he kill it? When did he kill it? Or there are so many other things. How did he kill it? So time, place, manner. All these aspects can be told about the action happened. Similarly, in all these sentences, all actions can have different aspects. And the doer and the receivers have also different information about them, but we haven't provided those information. To provide those information, what do we need? What do we need, beta? We need more conjunctions, more words to add more information. In yesterday's video, I taught you how the subject and object of the same sentence can be added more as far as the information is concerned. More information can be given about those things using different conjunctions. In that video, I can send the link of this video to my descriptive part. You just refer to that video and you will come to know everything I taught yesterday related to conjunctions. ओके नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं कि किस तरीके से और भी हमें कंजंक्शंस की जरूरत है सो दैट वी कैन टॉक मोर ऑन एक्शंस. कल हमने सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की बात करी, आज एक्शंस की बात करेंगे. इन फर्स्ट किल, इन सेकंड रेनिंग, इन थर्ड गो, इन फोर्थ टॉक. So to give an additional information to the time, the place, the reason, the manner and everything else of the action, we need some conjunctions. हमें conjunctions की जरूरत है. So let's learn those conjunctions. जैसे Ram killed Ravan. When, how, where, why, what is the result, purpose. So many things are there to be talked. Okay. तो उन्हीं के अकॉर्डिंग हमें कंजंक्शन लगाना है. सो इफ यू कैन लर्न दीज कंजंक्शन थोरोली एंड कंप्लीटली एंड प्रॉपरली एंड हैप्पीली, you will definitely be able to convert one liner, a simple one sentence, into a paragraph. So it is important to learn English language, to write, to speak, the uses of conjunction. Otherwise you will never be able to speak or write English. If you think that you can speak or write English language through translations, you will never be able to do that. Because translations never work. I always say, if you want to learn English, the speaking, the writing, the reading, the listening, everything else, first you have to get yourself get rid of the translations, the unwanted, unnecessary grammatical rules. सबसे पहले इनसे छुटकारा पाओ, फिर आप प्रैक्टिकली समझो. तो मैं आगे आपको बताऊंगा किस तरह के कंजंक्शंस यूज करते हैं और कैसे. Before proceed further, I request you to subscribe to my channel and share it to as many people as possible so that other people can also join us. And comment section is there to let me know what do you think about that, because your suggestions, your advices, everything is so much valuable to me. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. हाँ भाई, एक चीज तो भूल ही गया. टर्न ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन, then you will get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, चलिए. राम किल्ड, तो हमें बताना है why, रीजन बताना है. मान के चलो ये आपका मेन सेंटेंस है, आपने ओपनिंग की, आपने स्टार्ट किया है कह के कि राम किल्ड रावण. अब इसको आपको और आगे बढ़ाना है. तो आपने सबसे पहले रीजन दिया बिकॉज ही abducted. He means Ravan abducted his wife सीता. ठीक है, इसमें और भी ऐड करना चाहते हो तो आप बिकॉज रीजन के बाद आप पर्पज बता सकते हो. सो दैट वर्ल्ड कैन world could, sorry, past tense, world could get rid of his persecutions, अत्याचार. Clear? So just knowing how one conjunction can give the reason and another can give the purpose, हम लोग छोटे से सेंटेंस को पैराग्राफ में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इट हैज बीन रेनिंग. अगर आपको बताना है कब से, टाइम बताना है तो आप यूज कर सकते हो सिंस जून अराइव्ड और इट अराइव्ड जून. इट अराइव्ड जून, ये आपने टाइम बता दिया. ओके, अगर आपको मान के चलो टाइम बताने के साथ साथ उसका कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन देना है, क्लियर, उसका कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी रिजल्ट देना है तो आप बोल सकते हो. या फिर रिजल्ट अगर आपको देना है कि जो भी देना हो, जैसे रिजल्ट देना है तो कॉन्सिक्वेंटली फुल स्टॉप लगा के या फिर आगे कॉमा लगा के कॉन्सिक्वेंटली ली consequently water has flooded everywhere. Flooded everywhere. So here आपके पास एक ही सेंटेंस था पहले, क्या कि पानी बरस रहा है. ठीक है, फिर आपने टाइम बता दिया सिंस इट अराइव्ड जून. फिर आपने रिजल्ट बता दिया कि इतना पानी बरसने का क्या रिजल्ट रहा. कॉन्सिक्वेंटली वाटर हैज फ्लडेड एवरीवेयर. दिस इज हाउ, इफ यू नो the use of since, if you know why we use since, if you know why we use consequently, you can give the reason, time and the result of an action. Similarly we go to temples. चलो क्यों जाते हैं भाई, हम so that का यूज कर सकते हैं. so that we feel some, we can feel some comfort, some relaxation. Okay, so through so that you are giving the cause of an action. Similarly, cause of you're going to school. ऐसे ही you go to temple, other than telling the cause, purpose, और क्या बता सकते हैं, और हम बता सकते हैं टाइम बता सकते हैं. when we feel troubled. So here using so that and when, I have told the time and the cause of going to temples. Similarly he took English classes. इसका रिजल्ट का इसका उल्टा रिजल्ट हो गया. मतलब उसने इंग्लिश तो ली, क्लास तो ली, but he didn't learn English. So I'm sure he must have seen how learning conjunction can affect us, our English improvement. It is very important for learning English conjunctions. अभी मैंने आपको रैंडमली कंजंक्शन बताए, रैंडमली कि हाउ डू वी यूज कंजंक्शन व्हिच आर रिलेटेड टू एक्शंस. नाउ इफ यू वांट मी टू मेक अ प्रॉपर video on such conjunctions, where we can have the proper notes, you can have the actually separate uses of all the conjunction. If you want me to make such video, I will definitely upload such, but for which I want your support. I want you to just send this information to my comment section, and I definitely try my level best to upload a separate video on such an important topic. Keep in touch with me. Subscribe to my channel. I always request you to your support, because the more you propose your support to me, the more you push my channel, the better I'll actually make the videos. I try my content completely devoted to you in such a way that you all can learn things free here on this platform. What you do not get even after paying the huge chunk of your amount. I'm sure आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Please share it to as many people as possible and like करना ना भूलें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन को जरूर ऑन करो. थैंक यू.